I'm Lucinda Andriani. I'm with the Coconino County Flood Control District, and today we're out on just above on Paradise at the Spruce Avenue wash, and you can already see the evidence that we've had a small level of flooding here. This black material is off the burn scar, and now we are in the process of installing what are called Jersey barriers, the concrete barriers you see on the freeways. And we've got a team, this team put in over 5.5 miles of barrier on the Schultz, in the Schultz flood area. They're now here. We've got a set of barrier above, and now we're working down. There'll be a set of barrier behind all the homes through and behind Grandview. I have 2 rain gauges in this drainage, one above Eldon Estates and one above the Paradise area neighborhood, and that helps us understand the events. We are also in the process of installing 3 more rain gauges within the burn area. We're waiting to get permission to enter to have those installed. Those are critical to the emergency notification system. And so two important actions people need to take. 1, sign up for the weather emergency alerts through the National Weather Service. National Weather Service emergency alerts. 2nd is to sign up for the county emergency notification system. You can go to coconino.az.gov/ready to sign up for both of those systems. They should both be on that website. So sign up immediately. That will be the warning systems that we do to warn this area of any flood events. These events will happen very, very rapidly. It may be very difficult to predict what the response of the watershed is going to be. The water could arrive in this area very, very quickly. And so it's critical that you know where your children are at all times, and that you keep your pets and children out of the channel. From Cedar up through this Paradise area, the children must remain out of the channel. In addition,